I think that every man, woman, and child should know basics in the kitchen, how to feed themselves and those around them quickly, easily, and deliciously. I don't believe it's that hard. I'm trying to take you through, in a very fun, simple way, what I know. So I'm speechless. 1,000 followers. So thank you guys, really. This all started a few months ago, and the fact that you guys are here, there's 1,000 of you that are subscribed. Some of you are making my recipes at home. Some of you are making videos about the recipes. That is so meaningful to me, because ultimately, it's for you guys. I want to create a resource online for people who want to get better in the kitchen that they can trust. You've sort of placed your trust in me, and for that, I'm grateful. So we're doing a giveaway. You guys give me so much, I felt it only proper to give you guys something. At least one of you guys something. So what do we got? An 8-inch Victorinox chef knife. This is the knife that I started this cooking show with. It's a very affordable knife. It's nothing fancy. It's not made from any fancy Japanese or German steel. It's a Swiss blade. It's made from a trusted brand, Victorinox. This isn't a top-of-the-line knife. This is a $30, $40 knife. A lot of restaurant kitchen chefs will use this. Now, this may not be super fancy, but it's not supposed to be that. This is more of a symbolic knife, something to signify the beginning of a new journey in your kitchen. It's the same one I started with, and it's perfect. And then you've got a honing steel. This is not a sharpener. This is simply to maintain a blade. Before and after you use your knife, you should use this. I mean, it's a sharp knife. You should have no problems with this guy. So you got your everyday basics. You should be all set to chop every day with this guy. Now, to show you that I'm not like a cheap guy, I had to get through something fun with my friends over at Meathead Knives, who have these amazing Almazan handcrafted carbon steel sort of utility knives. These guys are crazy. Look how beautiful they are. So the bottom line is you have sharp knives now, and you can keep them sharp with this. This guy comes, little carrying case, put it on your side when you go camping. Now this guy's mine. They will send you a new one direct. You're also gonna get a knife carrying case. So when you move or whatever, you need your knives somewhere or whatever you're going away, you can safely tuck them away in this and carry them without worrying about stabbing yourself. So that's it, guys. You want to win? It's very simple. There's a link down in the description. It takes you to a site called gleam.io. There you're going to enter some information and there will be several ways to enter. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's mandatory. I encourage you to share this with as many people as possible because next milestone I hit, I do another giveaway.